Welcome students. This is lecture 8 on sampling techniques and design of experiments. This is theorem 2. The theorem is in simple random sampling without replacement, show that sample mean is an unbiased estimate of population mean square. That is, expectation of small s square is equal to capital S square. Proof of expectation of s square is equal to capital S square. By the definition of sample mean square, we know that s square is equal to 1 by n minus 1 summation I is equal to 1 to n yi square minus small n into yi yn whole square. This is equation 1. Here, look here, this is y bar. This is y bar. Y bar is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n yi by n. Here, this n comes out, become n square. Here, n square is here. So, this become n square. N get cancelled and 1 by n remains here. This is 1 by n minus 1 summation I is equal to 1 to n small yi square minus 1 by n I is equal to 1 to n yi whole square. Consider this term I is equal to 1 to n yi whole square. We can write this term as I is equal to 1 to n yi square plus summation I not equal to j n yi yj. Explanation for this term is here. First consider the summation for two terms, that is I is equal to 1 to 2 yi square. This can be written as y1 plus y2 whole square because this is summation I is equal to 1 to 2. Here y1, y2. We can write this as y1 plus y2 into y1 plus y2. Sum this y1 into y1, 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 y1 into y2, y1, y2, y2 into y1, y2, y1, y2 into y2, y2, y2. We can write these four terms into two forms. This is similar terms as square terms and keep the different terms as it is. Here this is square terms and for this power is 1 and they are product of two terms, two product terms. We express this into summation of square terms and a summation of product terms. That is I is equal to 1 to 2 y1 plus y2 is summation I is equal to 1 to 2 y1 yi square plus this is product terms I not equal to j, 1 not equal to 2 here, 2 not equal to 1 here. Like that I not equal to j to 2 y1 yi yj. Similarly, we can write I is equal to 1 to n yi square yi whole square as I is equal to 1 to n yi square plus this is first term, that is square terms, and this is product terms, summation of product terms. Okay, take this 1 by n into inside 1 by n I is equal to 1 to n yi square minus 1 by n into n minus 1 I is equal to 1 to n yi square minus this term. Here common for I is equal to 1 to n yi square, we common this. Here by commoning I is equal to 1 to n yi square, this is 1 here and this n minus 1 goes out and 1 by n remains here. This is n minus 1 by n. Look here, 1 into n minus 1. N minus 1 by n, summation I is equal to 1 to n by a square. This remains same. N minus 1 get cancelled. This s square is equal to equation 2 remains. 1 by n, summation I is equal to 1 to n by a square minus 1 by n into n minus 1, I naught equal to j n yi by j. Taking expectation on both sides, this is expectation of s square is equal to 1 by n, expectation of a is equal to 1 to n. This is for product terms. Consider the first term first. Expectation of I is equal to 1 to n by a square. We know that the sample unit can be expressed as population unit by multiplying the population unit with a random variable ai. Here ai takes 1 and 0. If it is 1, unit is selected into the sample. If I is equal to 0, unit not included in the sample. We all know the expectation of ai is equal to small n by capital N from theorem 1. That is, in theorem sample mean is an unbiased estimate of population mean. We proved this small n by capital N is equal to expectation of ai. By substituting this remains. This is for equation 4. Small n by capital N into summation I is equal to 1 to n capital y square. We changed this small into capital by taking expectation. Now consider the second term, expectation of I not equal to j to 1 yi yj. Similarly, these two terms we have expectation of ai aj. This is product terms. Consider this product term, expectation of ai aj is equal to, we know that expectation of x is equal to x into probability of x, summation x into probability of x. Here ai takes only two values 1 and 0. This is the formula. This 0 term vanishes. Consider this probability of ai aj is equal to 1. Here this is a joint random variable, probability of two variables. This ai is equal to 1 and aj is equal to 1. This is probability of A intersection B. We can write probability of AB. We know that by using conditional probability, probability of AB is equal to probability of A into probability of B given A. Here, this first term is probability of ith unit included in the sample, that is small n by capital N. If one unit is selected, there are small n minus 1 units in sample, there are smaller capital N minus 1 units in the population. So probability of jth unit included into the sample after ith unit is already selected is small n minus 1 divided by capital N minus 1. By substituting expectation of ai aj in equation 5, we get this is as equation 7. Substitute these equation 4 and 7 in equation 3, we get expectation of s square is equal to this. By cancelling small n values, the term remains here. Okay, this is nothing but small capital S square. We compare the equation 2 and equation 1 for small letter. Just replacing capital letters, we get the same as above. That is, expectation of small s square is equal to capital S square. Okay, this is the proof of sample mean is an unbiased estimate of sample mean square is an unbiased estimate of population mean square. Thank you.